Hi, I'm Connie Sue. Welcome to the series on performance measurement. We are seeing daily reports on the coronavirus outbreak situation. Organizations publish charts and graphs to communicate the status. Today, I would like to share a few charts I have come across, and let's take a look at how well they convey the information. The first one is published by the World Health Organization. It is a map, and it illustrates the seriousness of the outbreak by country. There's a label for each country, and a circle is used to illustrate the number of cases. The bigger the circle, the higher the number of cases. To the right, there's a scale on what the size of the circle means, and to the left, there is an inset for the European countries. There's a lot of information. I found it a little cluttered and a little difficult to compare the relative sizes of the circle at a glance. Google also uses a map to illustrate similar information, and this is what the map looks like. Instead of using the size of the circle, it chose to use colors. The darker the blue, the higher the number of cases. And if I want more details, the table below shows the actual counts. It shows the stats on the total number of cases, the number of cases per million of the population in that country, the number of people recovered, and the number of deaths. In comparing the two maps, I prefer the one published by Google more for two reasons. First, it is less cluttered, and it serves the purpose of illustrating the countries that have the hardest hit. Second, the details are provided in a separate table for those who would like to see specific counts. The map prepared by the World Health Organization attempts to show too much information. The next chart shows some interesting information on how quickly the virus is spreading by country. There are three pieces of information provided by the European Center for Disease Control and Prevention. They are how long it took to double the number of confirmed cases, the count of the total confirmed cases at the end of each day for the past 2 weeks, and the number of cases, the increase from day to day. Let's see how well the information is presented. For countries where the number of cases doubled within a short few days, it sends a very strong message that measures need to be taken right away to manage the spread. The 41 days for China versus the 6 days for Italy could be misleading though. What is hidden and not shown is that the two countries are at different stages. Italy is just waking up to the virus, whereas China, many parts of it have been in full lockdown for 2 months already. For the bar charts on the total count and the incremental increase from day to day, visually I find the increasing bar heights is excellent in illustrating how quickly the virus is spreading. By comparing the increases, it shows that Germany and US are two countries that have that total number of cases accelerating. So it is very critical for those two countries to take action immediately. The overall presentation is quite good. Could we make it simpler? One suggestion I have is maybe to combine the two bar charts into one, or just show one or the other. In presenting information, there are many options, but the most important thing to remember is to pick a format that is the simplest and most straightforward for the reader to consume that information. Thank you for watching. I'm Connie Sue.